Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore practical ways to make weight loss easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your weight loss journey: meal prepping. Meal prepping is a powerful strategy that saves time, reduces stress, and keeps you on track with your health goals. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals all week long while sticking to your weight loss plan. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing tips and strategies to make meal prepping simple, efficient, and most importantly, effective for shedding extra pounds. Meal prepping is one of the best ways to set yourself up for success when it comes to weight loss. It helps with portion control, so you don't accidentally eat more than you need. When healthy meals are ready and waiting, it's so much easier to resist the temptation of takeout or junk food. Aside from keeping you consistent, meal prepping also saves you time and money. Cooking in bulk reduces the number of times you have to hit the grocery store and helps minimize food waste. It's all about creating a system that works for your lifestyle and allows you to make healthier choices without overthinking. Think of meal prepping as a way to take the guesswork out of eating. When your meals are planned and ready, staying on track feels effortless. Before jumping into meal prep, let's go over some essentials. Start with good quality containers that are durable and, if possible, microwave safe. Glass containers work great for reheating, and those with compartments keep meals organized. A food scale and measuring cups will help with portion control, making sure you're eating the right amount for your goals. Reusable storage bags are perfect for snacks like nuts, fruits, or chopped veggies. A sharp knife and cutting board are must-haves to speed up your chopping. It's also helpful to have labels or markers to note the date on your prepped meals. This way, you can ensure you're eating the freshest food first. Finally, make sure your kitchen is stocked with healthy staples like whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fresh vegetables. These will form the base of your meal prep. Planning is the foundation of successful meal prepping. Start by thinking about what meals you want to prepare, whether it's breakfasts, lunches, dinners, or snacks. Pick a few simple recipes you enjoy that share similar ingredients to make grocery shopping easier and less expensive. When creating your grocery list, write down only what you need to stick to your plan and avoid impulse purchases. As you plan your meals, keep portion sizes in mind. Base them on your calorie or macro goals to ensure you're fueling your body appropriately. For example, you might plan grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa for lunches, and boiled eggs or apple slices with almond butter as snacks. The key is to keep things simple and repeatable. Now it's time to prep. Start by cooking your proteins, like chicken, tofu, or fish, since they usually take the longest. While your proteins are cooking, prepare your grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. Using appliances like a rice cooker or Instant Pot can make this step much easier and hands-off. While your proteins and grains are cooking, wash and chop your vegetables. You can roast them in the oven, sauté them on the stove, or leave some raw for snacking. Once everything is cooked, combine the components into meals. Pair your protein with a portion of carbs, some veggies, and healthy fats like avocado or nuts for a balanced plate. Adding seasoning is a great way to keep your meals flavorful and interesting. Use herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lemon juice instead of relying on calorie-dense sauces or dressings. Once your meals are ready, store them in labeled containers and place them in the fridge or freezer. Seeing those neatly organized meals is so satisfying. If you're ready to supercharge your weight loss journey and take the guesswork out of achieving your dream body, let me introduce you to something that's helped thousands transform their lives: Lean Bliss. It's not just a product, it's a partner in your health journey, giving you that extra boost to stay on track and feel your best every day. Check out the link in the description to learn more and take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. To make meal prepping a sustainable habit, keep things flexible and fun. You don't have to prep for an entire week in one day. Split it into 2 sessions, like Sunday and Wednesday, to keep things fresh. Adding variety to your meals can also make a huge difference. Even small changes like using different seasonings or switching up your protein can keep you excited about your meals. Don't forget about snacks. Prepping things like veggie sticks with hummus or portioned-out trail mix can save you from reaching for unhealthy options during the day. Freezing extra portions can be a lifesaver during busy weeks when you don't have time to prep. Keeping some backup options on hand ensures you always have something healthy to eat. It's easy to make mistakes when starting out with meal prep, but being aware of them can save you time and effort. Over-prepping is a common issue. Cooking more than you can eat in 4 or 5 days can lead to waste. Another pitfall is not including enough variety in your meals. Eating the same thing every day can get boring quickly, so find ways to change up flavors or textures. Portion sizes are another important detail. Even healthy food can lead to overeating if portions aren't controlled, so use your food scale and measuring cups to get it right. Finally, make sure your meals are balanced. Including a mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats will keep you full and satisfied, so you're not tempted to snack unnecessarily. Meal prepping can be tailored to fit any lifestyle. Vegans can focus on protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu, paired with colorful vegetables and healthy fats like avocado or nuts. For keto followers, stick with low-carb, high-fat options like eggs, cheese, and non-starchy vegetables. Gluten-free eaters can use grains like quinoa or rice and double-check that sauces and seasonings are safe to use. Whatever your dietary needs, meal prepping makes it easier to stay consistent and eat within your plan. Staying motivated is all about making meal prepping enjoyable. Set goals for yourself, whether it's weight loss, saving money, or eating healthier, and remind yourself why you started. Tracking your progress can also be a huge motivator. Take photos of your prepped meals and celebrate small victories, like sticking to your plan for a full week. Looking for inspiration on social media or meal prep accounts can spark new ideas and keep you excited. Meal prepping doesn't have to be a solo task either. Get your family or friends involved and make it a fun activity. The more enjoyable the process, the easier it is to stick with. Meal prepping is a simple but powerful tool to support faster weight loss and a healthier lifestyle. With a little planning and creativity, you can take control of your diet and make healthy eating effortless. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to make your weight loss journey easier. Let me know in the comments your favorite meal prep hack or go-to recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.